Hello there and welcome to another exciting episode of Pastryology by Vimal. If you're new to this channel, my name is Vimal. I'm a pastry chef. In today's video, we'll be making an eggless banana cake with salted caramel ganache. It's a deadly combination. You all must try this and tag me on my Instagram handle given below. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking that subscribe button. Let's get started. Let's start by making salted caramel ganache first. For that you need 50 grams of sugar, 60 grams of dark chocolate or milk chocolate, 100 grams of fresh cream, 3 grams of salt flakes and 20 grams of unsalted butter. Let's start the process by boiling cream and keep it aside. Make a dry caramel using sugar and add 20 grams of unsalted butter into it. Give it a good mix. Into it, add the warm cream and cook it really well until all the ingredients combine really well. Add the salt flakes onto the dark chocolate and pour our hot caramel into the dark chocolate and give it a good mix until all the ingredients combine together to create a smooth velvety mix. So that's it. Our salted caramel ganache is ready. Let's cover it and set it aside until we make our banana bread. To make the banana cake, you need 250 grams of overripe banana, 100 grams of sugar, 60 grams of sunflower oil, 7 grams of baking powder, 5 grams of baking soda, 125 grams of condensed milk, 225 grams of all-purpose flour and 50 grams of milk. Start the process by mixing overripe banana and sugar together until the sugar melts into the banana completely. Gradually pour the oil and give it a good mix until you get a smooth batter. Once the oil and banana is combined really well, add your condensed milk into it. Sieve all the dry ingredients together and give it a good fold, making sure there is no lump formation. Finish the batter by adding milk into it. So that's the texture of the cake batter and that's what you should be getting. You can always add 5 grams of cinnamon powder and 100 grams of walnut or raisins into the cake batter. I like it plain, so I'm not going to add it to the mix. Now for baking, I'm going to use an individual silicone mold to bake the banana cake. You can always bake this in your normal cake mold or the loaf pan. Let's bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. As usual, depending upon your oven, you might have to adjust the temperature and the time, so do keep an eye on that. So that's it, our banana cake is baked. You can see nice golden brown color all around. So it's baked really well and you can see the texture, it's really soft. So that's it, please do try this, and if you have any doubt, reach out on my Instagram handle and I'll see you all in the next video with a new recipe. You all stay safe.